After the storm is over and it's safe, damage assessors head out into the field and check the locations that need repairs. We don't make the repairs. We just pass the information on to the coordinators who feed that information to the operations department that takes care of sending out the resources, equipment, and whatever's necessary to make the repairs. We get our first assignment, we get in our vehicles, and we head to that location. Once we get there, we assess the damage. Limbs on lines, limbs on services, trees that are down across the street, and in fact, blocking the road, so you end up having to find another path to keep going with your damage assessment. Some of the biggest damages I've seen is multiple poles down, poles that are broken and are hanging with a transformer upside down. I may quickly drive through a neighborhood because I certainly see what is there for damages, and in order to get the resources to come in and take care of the repairs, we have to quickly pass on the information. When a damage assessor is out in the field and we're driving down a road and we see a tree blocking the road, if we don't report that back first to the coordinator, we wouldn't get that tree removed and we wouldn't be able to get any repairs made. Power wouldn't be back on. That's one of the big things we do, being the first eyes out at a location so that we know what we need to get things done.